Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Let me show you quickly how to clean all this lens. Of course, here in Florida, the sun has just messed them up. This is very bad, it's so hard to drive at night. So I'm going to show you a quick way to clean this, maybe 3 to 5 minutes to do that. I have listed the product I use in the notes section of this video. You can support this channel by shopping through the links below. When you purchase item using this Amazon link, a small commission goes to this channel at no extra cost to you. It is the simplest way to support the channel while getting the same great results I demonstrated in this video. Thank you for your support. You see the front lens is yellowed out because of the sun here in Florida. So the best is to protect the car, get a tape like this to tape all around the lens. So when you're using the cleaning product, it doesn't hit the car itself, because it's going to scratch your paint. You don't want to do that. You want to protect it, all right? As you see, all is being taped so it doesn't damage the car paint. This is the product I'm going to use. I put it in the paper towel and just rub against the lens. Then I use the clean one to rub it off. I will show you. So what you do, you just start rubbing it like you're waxing the car like that. You just take time, do a small space at a time. Like if I just focus here, I'm just going to show you. Usually I do all the lens. You see how I start cleaning up? You see the difference? Hopefully you can see it. All right. So I'm doing entire lens. I see how much things start taking out of the lens. You see that? So you keep rubbing it in. Do a small piece at a time. Make sure you don't hit the paint. This is going to mess up your paint. Then I'm going to get a clean paper towel. Watch here. You see how the shine comes out? Look. You see it? This is just quick to show you. You can do it just a couple of minutes. See, it takes all the wax out. At least now at night when we're driving, it's going to be clear lens. Okay, you see the difference? I'm going to put the other picture in the side, so you side to side to see how bad it was. And you saw it didn't take that much time. And I did this, very quick. And if you get on the car, immediately clean it and wash it, all right? Don't let that stuff stay in the car for a long time. Hope this will help you. It's going to save you a bunch of money. And that's the only product you need. You don't need tons of other products being advertised. They're expensive. You need a polisher, you need all this stuff. Forget about those. Use this. You're going to be very happy with it. I use in my old radios on plastic as well as a Headlight old radios, and they bring shine back exactly like what did it here. One thing I really suggest highly, go ahead and mask tape all around the lens before you're polishing it. Of course, I'm doing this for many years, so I'm very careful. But if you're a beginner, just use newspaper so the masking tape, tape everything off so it doesn't get on the car. If this hit the car, it might mess up the paint, all right? Especially if the paint are, clear coat over it. I know the bottle says for, removing a scratch on the car. I tried it on the cars and I was not that happy. It doesn't do a good job with the car, but it does unbelievable job for the, cleaning the lens and other stuff. So hopefully this will help you as well. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comment. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when a new video being uploaded. You have a great day.